that sandwich was amazing. We just tasted it. So now what I'm going to do is show you the dinner part of it. On this piece of meat, it's pretty much fat, which that's where all the flavor is. The other thing I wanted to tell you about is this color right here when it comes out of the oven. This is the color that you want. Some people would consider this burnt. This is not burnt. This is what the brown sugar does, is it caramelizes on top of the meat. So when you rub it and all your hard work in rubbing and creating your rub, and that's the reason why I like to use brown sugar or sauce, because it creates this black kind of charred look, which keeps the flavor in. So that's the explanation on that one. What I'm going to do is just slice a couple pieces of meat here. There's a couple different ways you can do a dinner. We like to use about 8 to 10 ounces. Really thin slices, so it looks nice on the plate. I'm going to take the plate right here. Sometimes you could use either tomatoes as a garnish or lettuce. You just take the meat, pile it high. And we have our trusty baked potato. Use another knife. You don't want to cross-contaminate. There you go. You have your beef brisket dinner.